Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. If you are learning English, this podcast is just for you. Today, I will share 5 simple but powerful tips to improve your English. Tip number 1. Practice every single day. Even 15 minutes of reading, writing, listening, or speaking in English makes a big difference. Tip number 2. Learn the basics of grammar. You don't need to be perfect, but understanding tenses, pronouns, and simple sentence structures will give you confidence. Tip number 3. Expand your vocabulary. Use flashcards, apps, or real-life examples. When you learn a new word, try to use it in a sentence the same day. Tip number 4. Listen and watch. Podcasts, movies, and YouTube videos in English help your brain to think in English naturally. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfection. Every mistake is a step forward. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for listening. See you in the next one, and remember, keep practicing English every day.